We're going to prepare a simple homemade bioenzyme that works wonderfully in a vegetable garden. It nourishes plants, supports beneficial soil microbes, and even offers mild pest deterrence. The process is easy, affordable, and uses materials that are often discarded. Start by collecting orange peels and drying them thoroughly in direct sunlight until they become completely crisp. Proper drying is important. It concentrates the natural sugars and weakens the cell structure, making the peels easier to grind and faster to break down during fermentation. Once fully dried, grind the peels into a coarse powder. A slightly rough texture is ideal because it increases surface area, allowing microbes better access to the natural sugars and pectin. Transfer the powdered peels into a clean, strong container that can safely handle mild internal pressure. Add clean water until the container is about half full, leaving sufficient empty space for gas formation during fermentation. Next, add a few tablespoons of molasses. Molasses acts as the primary energy source for beneficial microbes, accelerating fermentation and boosting enzyme production. Stir thoroughly to dissolve the molasses completely and ensure the peel powder is fully saturated. Now comes the fermentation stage. Close the lid loosely or make a tiny vent hole to allow gases to escape. As microbes, mainly yeasts and beneficial bacteria, consume the sugars, they release carbon dioxide. This gas buildup is natural, so proper venting prevents excess pressure. Some gardeners open the lid briefly every few days to release gas, while others use a small air hole or airlock system. Always open the container carefully and away from your face. Why allow it to ferment for weeks? Fermentation is a biological transformation. Microorganisms break down complex citrus compounds into simpler organic acids, enzymes, and soluble nutrients that plants can readily absorb. In the first few days, you'll notice bubbles and a change in aroma. Over time, the liquid becomes richer, more stable, and biologically active. A longer fermentation encourages a more diverse microbial population and converts more organic matter into plant-available forms. It also softens strong odors, resulting in a gentler solution once diluted. In our case, we allowed the mixture to ferment for 2 weeks, which produced a balanced and active concentrate. After fermentation, always dilute the solution before use. This mixture is concentrated and can be too strong if applied directly. For foliar spraying, mix 1 part concentrate with 20 parts water, 1 to 20. For soil application, dilute 1 part concentrate with 50 to 100 parts water, 1 to 50 to 1 to 100. It's best to begin with the weaker dilution and test it on a small area or a single plant, especially when treating young seedlings. If plants respond positively without leaf burn, you can continue using the same ratio throughout the garden. Application is straightforward. Pour the diluted solution into a watering can or sprayer. For foliar feeding and mild pest control, spray both sides of the leaves during the cooler hours of the day, early morning or late afternoon, to reduce evaporation and prevent sun damage. For soil feeding, apply the solution around the root zone so soil microbes can access and process the nutrients. Using this bioenzyme every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season can gradually improve soil vitality and plant resilience. A few important tips. Always use clean containers and water to avoid contamination. Keep the fermenting mixture in a shaded, moderately warm place, as extreme cold slows fermentation and excessive heat may accelerate it too much. Label the container with the starting date to track progress. A healthy batch should have a pleasantly sour or tangy smell. If it develops a foul, rotten odor or visible mold growth on the surface, discard it and prepare a fresh batch. Store the finished concentrate away from direct sunlight and out of reach of children and pets. Finally, remember that this homemade bioenzyme is a supplement, not a complete fertilizer. It supports beneficial microbes, adds trace nutrients, and provides light pest deterrence, but it does not replace proper composting, balanced fertilization, or integrated pest management. When used as part of a holistic gardening approach, including healthy soil practices, crop rotation, organic matter addition, and proper watering, this simple orange peel enzyme can give your vegetable garden an effective and natural boost.